In this video, I'm going to show you how to use live trades MC filter on Axiom. So essentially, this is just a market cap filter which they added to Axiom. Now, first, you will need an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features, such as an amazing wallet tracker, and then they have a great Twitter tracker as well. They have an amazing P&L tracker. They can have some rewards over here, which basically gives you rewards just for trading Solana. It gives you Solana back. And then you can, of course, set your own presets. You can set your own fees. They have amazing filters over here on coins, etc. So again, link down below. Check it out. You won't regret it. So to use the live trades market cap filter, which is the new update, you can have two options. So you can either go to trackers up here, and then you want to go to live trades, and then here you can see it says MC, which is market cap. Click on this filter, and then here you can do minimum and then maximum market cap, and then you have to simply click apply filter, and then your filter will be applied. Now you can reset it like this, and then it's gonna get reset. Now that's the first way, and then the second one is actually from any page on Axiom. So you just have to click on wallet tracker down at the bottom, switch to live trades, and then here again you have the market cap filter. Click on here and it's gonna work the same way as it does inside the trackers section. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.